Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Snapchat messages not sending or receiving. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection or mobile data connection. Now after this, restart Snapchat. Completely close the Snapchat app and reopen it again. Another step is clear the app cache. Simply go to your phone settings, then navigate to apps, and here, search for Snapchat. Now scroll down and tap on storage. And here, tap on clear cache at the bottom left corner. Another step is uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat. Simply uninstall the app and reinstall it again. Sometimes the issue is due to server problems, so check down detectors or Snapchat's Twitter for outages. Last but not the least, if the problem persists, simply contact Snapchat support. So this is how to fix Snapchat messages not sending or receiving. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.